Alright, we've moved into the new place. And so far, so good. We're definitely liking this space more. Way more. We've got a really good view. We're right by the market, which could mean that it's gonna be loud in here, but we're used to noise. We're city girls. City girls. City girls. So this is the first bedroom. This is where I'll be sleeping. There's no closet, as you can see. I'm gonna be living out my suitcase, but I asked the host about a rack because we saw one in the picture. So hopefully I'll be able to use that rack for my clothes and things. But this is bedroom number 1. And then Aleka's bedroom is here, really spacious. And one thing we noticed, booyah, full length mirror. This has been so hard to find in the other Airbnbs. So like, this is a win for us. We just trying to see what our outfits look like. So yeah, having a full length mirror is a plus. And then she's got so much storage space. It's like, instead of giving me a closet, they gave her 2. She's got all the room to store stuff. Okay, and then this is the bathroom. It's one bathroom that we'll be sharing. This is the shower. I don't know why there's 2 shower heads, but why have one when you can have 2? And then the sink, and back this way is the bathroom. And this is what the kitchen looks like. Believe it or not, this is actually the refrigerator. It's kind of cool. So yes, things are looking up. We're definitely a lot more comfortable. So far, so good. So far, so good. The host has been a lot more accommodating. I mean, she even went out of her way to make sure I had a blender here, which I love as I am training and have to do a lot of protein intake. That's really, really important for me. So yeah, we're just gonna unpack. We actually are still in the middle of a work day, so it's pretty much just unpack and get right back to work. I'll check in with y'all later.
We're good, thank you.
Yes, got this market near us. We walked outside, didn't have to show ID, didn't have to put up with security. We're living our best life.
Living our best life, like true city girls.
True
You just got a set of keys. And that's it.
That's it. That's all we need. All right, we just got takeout from an African restaurant. I got the jollof and fish, which looks pretty delicious. Sauce, nice. And Aleka got, what did you get?
I got okra soup.
Okra soup. Okra soup. Oh, this is called what?
Samo.
Samo. So this is the dough that we were trying to figure out what it's called. You have to let me know how that is. I kind of want to try it. Good morning, people. We got so much good sleep last night. We went to bed late, lots of work, catch-up work because of what happened this weekend, but good morning. It's been a good morning. We got really good sleep. And now I am on my way to the gym. There are 2 gym locations near me that I can go by. This first one is only a 4-minute walk, so I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it. But the reviews online didn't look that good, so there's also another one that I can go to. That's a 17-minute walk. I just don't have as much time today, so we're gonna try out this one to get started and see how it goes. But yeah, new place, much better. Not the gym I originally planned to go to, but nonetheless, we made it. found this cute Vietnamese street food restaurant. Yes, Aleka agreed to come back here with me after I saw it, after leaving the gym earlier today. The gym is up there. And where's me? Breakfast chic. Gonna get some work done. It is Wednesday. It is such a beautiful day. Some internet issues today, so now I'm working from this cute little cafe. I'm mad at it. First night out in a new place. First, we gotta figure out where we're going. Well, we're going to jazz night, but getting there, it's gonna be a journey. Yeah. Why is car on the sidewalk?
This route is hard.
This is not easy to walk on. Out here about losing lives. Got the salmon, little wine. What did you get? What did you get? The carbonara?
Yeah, bacon carbonara.
Random mystery meal, jollof rice, leftover chicken and eggs. Don't ask. Just had to make whatever was in the refrigerator. So having some brunch, lunch, and doing some editing. It's Friday, so per usual, it is active outside. The market is lively. There should be a performance soon. Showtime. All right, it's Friday night. We out here. Friday night. Another night out in these streets, but not too late because we have a really early morning tomorrow.
Olives. This is the foreign cars. Enjoy.
Thank you. We are here on time, for the record. We've been here. Enough time to get coffee early because we live right there. But we're a little traumatized still from our tour to the winery when the bus left us. The bus left like 2 minutes early, at least 2 to 5 minutes early, and then blamed us for not being in the right place at the right time. Wild. Wild.
Okay, this is where we're gonna begin the tour. So is there anybody who's been here before?
Bo-Kaap, first stop. The Dutch came and bought this area, and this This is where they deposited slaves that they brought from other places,
Right,
like
'cause
Malaysia.
I didn't realize that when the Dutch came, the Cape, he said the Cape, nobody was in the Cape. The Cape was abandoned.
So this was abandoned area.
Right.
They bought it.
And then brought slaves. This Bo-Kaap means what, above the city.
Above the city.
So
This is
because
their
the city
downtown.
was white, they had to put the slaves here because they weren't white.
Yes, this was where the slaves lived. This was like their living quarters. And now it is a UNESCO site.
I think so. A heritage site?
Heritage site.
Yeah. Cute.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. If you are posting on social media,
Yeah.
the tag is Murals for Gaza,
Meals for Gaza.
and my personal tag is Purusha Naidu, and then 3 underscores.
It's about 45 minutes to an hour to get to the town there. And further down there, that's Sickle Hill, very popular for sunsets.
We're not even at the top yet, and the views are already amazing. Okay, do you dance again? I didn't get it.
That we step away from the sides, let go of the handrails. The floor that you are standing on will be rotating. Thank you.
Oh, it's the floor that rotates. I thought the whole thing rotated. Ow, look at us. We moving. There's people down there brave enough to hike this. No, like flew by. We're going very
And that's this little part here, that's the whole Table Mountain. And remember,
the other side now. It's about a 30-minute walk around the way we came, but it also could be a 45-minute walk depending on which route you take.
Because I did a walking tour downtown. It was fun.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was really cool.
I was in the Melrose area.
Our third stop of the day. What is this called? Something Cove? Maiden's Cove. Look at. Last time we were on this beach, or near this beach, Aleka got robbed right over there by the wind. That wind.
Nobody was on the beach. And none of us were like, oh, nobody's on the beach. Maybe it's for a reason.
Maybe we should get on the beach because that's a smart idea. That beach beat us up. The wind, the sand. This has been such a good tour so far. It's not even 11 and we've hit our 3 stops. Yeah. And then after this, we've got a little road trip towards the end of the, I guess you call this a peninsula, towards the end of Cape Town City.
I guess the southernmost point of
The southern tip of Africa. That's a good way to put it.
The cave drawings, they're not like heritage sites. They're like anybody can just walk in and look at it.
or you're gonna have to hike, and trust me, it's a long hike. So then after lockdown, it jumped to 40%.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of people lost their jobs in lockdown.
When was it like below 10%?
Every tour.
Sorry.
When was it below?
He's like, what are y'all doing?
Yeah, it's like y'all sauce, y'all sauce.
Eat anything from plants, grass, roots, including small animals. He's gonna cross now.
Ostrich crossing.
He was trying to make sure we stopped.
Take your time.
So the females, they stick to one partner. Not the males, yeah.
And for lunch, I got the grilled prawns, looking delicious, and waiting for my side of vegetables. And Aleka got the seafood curry. How is it?
It's pretty good. It's curry.
It's curry.
One line. See? And it splits over there.
Including the bones, they'll make jewelry out of it.
Little quick ice cream stop before we see the penguin. So cute! And they're so chill. Why aren't y'all moving? So our guide told us that they are in molting season. So a lot of the penguins are shedding their feathers and they prefer to be left alone. It's basically like PMS, but for penguins. They don't want anyone around them. They don't want anyone touching them. They just want to shed their feathers in peace. Oh, hi, little one. Hello. Uh-oh, penguin fight. So you can see over there some of the penguins who are molting. Their feathers are a different color because they're gonna fall off and eventually become black and white. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They look like they're singing, but no sound is coming out.
Just people coming through, and so I feel like I'm focusing on everything else but my travel. So I'll figure it out though. I'll figure it out.